Welcome back to Hollerboys YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go check out part 1 of this and like, subscribe and comment. It'd be much appreciated. That'd be awesome. Thank you. Enjoy. Here you can't see me because I'm taking out all the rubbish. Here I'm setting up my whippersnipper, changing the cord to get it ready for the next part of the video. Sorry for the bad quality of filming in the next part. Once again, I just want to quickly stop and explain something. Two very different tensiles of cordage. This is high tensile. That's just normal cordage. It's very hard to see in the... That's a bit better. So, as you can see how flimsy and thin this is compared to that one. So this wouldn't even touch those weeds. I'm hoping that does a little bit more damage. And as for this backyard, there's basically no grass. There's a little bit of grass underneath it all, but that's mostly weeds for the majority of it. As you can see, there's another pile there. There's some more there. I'll show you the pile at the end of the video of what exactly we've done. Stay tuned. Before and after in this last part. While he finishes up, just doing this last little bit, just showing you the after. It's not perfect, it's maintainable, and I'll be doing the maintenance on this anyways. So I'll get it lower, fix it up next week or the week after, whenever they want me to do it. So it's now maintainable. They wanted all this, the majority of it done. I did a little bit more work than they've asked, but I want to give them a good job. I reckon they'll be happy with this. So while he's just finishing up this last bit, I'll show you the last of it at the end.